Welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. We're going to continue our lessons on three tenses. So pick up your pens and papers and then put something down. Good. In the previous lessons, we learned how to make statements or construct sentences in simple present tense as well as present continuous tense. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to construct sentences in the simple past tense. Good. Let's try to recap some of the things that we learned in the previous lessons. In the previous lesson, we learned that, for example, if you want to make a statement in simple present, all that you needed to do was to what? Write the pronoun and then add the verb to it. And that was all. So we made a phrase like meko, which means I go. Meko. Good. Then on the present continuous tense, we said that when you write the pronoun, for example, me, that is me, or I, before you add a verb like say ko, that is to go, to eat, you have to preface the verb with the prefix re. So we'll have to write reko. And that will become what? Mereko. Mereko, I am going. And we said that though we write it mereko, we say or we pronounce it meko. Meko. Good. Let's take this or meko and try to convert it into simple past. Good. In simple past tense, I will say mekoi or meko. So to construct or make a statement in a simple past, you have to do two things. You would either have to add e or I to the verb, or you will have to double the vowel that ends the verb. Here is an example. If I want to say, yesterday I went, without any complement, without adding any complement, that is without explaining further where I went, but I simply say, yesterday I went. Then in Twi I will say, enra, that is yesterday. Me, that is I. And then the ko, the verb. I'll write ko and then add e to it. So it will become enra mekoi. Enra mekoi. You see that? Good. This is what? Without a complement. Good. But if I want to add a complement, that is if I want to say where I went yesterday, what will I do? I will double the vowel that ends the verb. So what vowel ends the verb? That is o. So I will say enra meko suku. Enra meko suku. You see that here I am adding a complement. That is where I went. So I will double the vowel that ends the verb. So you either double the vowel that ends the verb, or you add e or I to the verb, or you suffix the verb with what? I or e. Good. So let's give another example. Let's take a verb like say ye. Ye, that is to do. To do. If I want to say yesterday I did, what did I do? There's no complement. So yesterday I did. I will say enra me ye. Me ye. You see that here I just added e to the what? The verb. But if I want to bring a complement, then I'll say enra me ye ejumano. Enra me ye ejumano. In this case, what did I do? I doubled the vowel that ends the verb. Did you see that? Enra meye ejumano. So if you are going to make a statement without a complement, just add e, or in some cases I. But if you are going to bring a complement, then double the vowel that ends the verb. Let's take another verb like, say, fa, to take. Fa, to take. Good. And let's take ono, because that is the pronoun that mostly bring a little bit of difficulty. Good. Ono, we know ono will lose what? The no, and we get only all. So if you want to say he took it, then we'll say ofai. Ofai. If you want to say he took the pen, that is with complement, then we will say ofa atredian. Ofa atredian. Ofa atredian. Good. So it's very simple. So that is all that you need to do. So this is where we draw the curtains down. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching. And join me in the next lesson for another lesson on the future tense in Twi. Until then, I will say keep on learning Twi with Opoku. Thank you.